nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye-bye.
What's going on, internet? I'm back with another video and I'm heading towards the Panadura Beach. If you're wondering why I'm doing a voiceover, it's because my medium audio is not working anymore. I think that happened when I was in Kalpitiya. But anyways, I'm taking the route via the Marine Drive and gonna go and enjoy the beach and enjoy the sunset. I don't know what it is, but I always take the beach roads because I just love riding alongside the beach. It's so peaceful. Although riding in Sri Lanka is really beautiful, the Sri Lankan streets are crazy. You really have to be careful when riding or driving in Sri Lankan streets. If you enjoy my content, please leave a like and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Riding on this beach is just amazing, but it ended pretty quickly because I got kicked out by the lifeguards. Because it's a crime to ride on a public beach. So from now on, I really have to be careful when riding on beaches. I have to find a deserted beach where I can ride without causing any trouble to the authorities. So I found this small side road which has access to the beach, and I took it. It was well worth it. And I took some long exposure shots of my bike with the clouds, and it was amazing. And this is what it looks like. මේ අර මෙතන පට්ටනේ අපි එහෙම වැඩි ඇක්ටිව් නෑ මේක දාලා තිබ්බන ලස්සන හොරෝනේ කරා මේක දාලා තිබ්බන කනකොලටි After enjoying this beautiful view, we decided it's time to leave this place and go to another viewpoint and watch the sunset from there. This is where we decided to watch the sunset. It was really calm and peaceful than the main beach. The only thing is the road is not that great, as you can see. That's probably why there are not that many people on this side of the beach. But it was really, really peaceful. Unfortunately, there was no sunset because of the clouds, so we decided to head back to Colombo before it gets dark. But it was well worth it. I wouldn't say it wasn't worth the ride or time. Live in that moment, don't have any regrets, because you will never know what will happen tomorrow. Thank you for watching till the end. I Kinda Budget signing out.